We are now at location number 2. Stop 2. Take it away, Bobby.
In this part of Wendy Kroger Park, we are going to explore textures in nature. Miss Sally, texture is the way something feels.
Like this?
Yeah. How does that feel?
This is kind of soft.
Okay, that's the texture of your coat.
This is kind of smooth.
You have more than one texture on your
I
coat.
do.
I'm going to throw this dice and we'll see what number comes up. And then we'll see what texture word matches the number.
Okay.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay. Oh, it's number 3. Number 3, the number 3 word is soft. Soft. You need to find something soft in nature, and you can put it in your bucket.
I found something. This is really
Oh, that moss growing on the tree trunk, it does look like it's soft. Okay, I'll drop the dice again. Are you ready?
I'm ready. I'm ready. 6.
6. The word for number 6 is smooth. Find something in nature that has a smooth texture, Miss Sally.
Oh, this is smooth. If I rub it this way,
Ooh, what is that?
that's part of a tree. It's got more than one texture on it. They're smooth right there, though. It's real smooth. No slivers.
Cool. You can keep it in your bucket.
Okay,
Ready to do it another time?
I am.
Okay, here we go. Oh, this time it's number 1. Did we already do number 1?
Nope.
The texture word for number 1 is fuzzy. Find something in nature that feels fuzzy.
Let me see. Okay, this is fuzzy for sure. It's so fuzzy,
Oh, it sticks to your coat.
sticks to me.
Cool. You can keep that in your bucket.
Yay!
And now it's your turn.